heterocyclic compounds. In the heterocyclic compound, pyridine and oxide structure of pyridine. Now move towards the second point, that is the it is the fused heterocyclic having the one of the benzene ring attached with the pyridine rings. Both the rings are in aromatic in natures, and the combined rings systems in the pyridine with the benzene ring as the one as a naphthalene or benzopyridines. It is a weakly basic. It shows the basic nature. It is a weakly basic with the pKa value is 4.94. pKa value 4.94 value indicate that it is a weakly basic in natures. Next point is that this is a weak basic because what is the reason behind the it is a weak basic, that the nitrogen atom in the system, that is in the pyridine, in acting. हमने जो इससे पहले जो रिंग देखे थे pyridine एनऑक्साइड, pyridine एनऑक्साइड में नाइट्रोजन आइटम का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या है, बोल सकते हैं आप? pyridine एनऑक्साइड के अंदर नाइट्रोजन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही ना? हेलो, हेलो, हेलो. इससे पहले जो बात थी क्या? हेलो.